Today we will be making oobleck and slime to learn about the different states of matter. As you can see, to make oobleck you need two ingredients. You need water and cornstarch. The ratio of mixture between the two is 3 parts cornstarch to 1 part water. You can see here the water being added. Once the two ingredients are added together in a bowl, you'll take a spoon and mix the ingredients together, adding more water or cornstarch as you see appropriate. If you notice, the mixture is becoming a bit more difficult to stir together. That is because the two elements of this mixture, the cornstarch and the water, are forming together to become a non-Newtonian fluid. A non-Newtonian fluid has properties of both a liquid and a solid. So as you'll see in a bit in this video, when you touch the oobleck really quickly, it'll appear as if it's a solid and won't let your finger pass through. But if you gently press your finger on the top of the oobleck, it will act as a liquid and your finger will be able to sink into the mixture. This is the final product of the oobleck. Observe the properties of the phase of matter. Now we will begin to make slime. In order to make slime, you need glue, food coloring, baking soda, and contact solution. The ratio of mixture is 1 4-ounce bottle of washable glue, added to 1 to 3 drops of liquid food coloring if you want your slime to be a certain color, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, along with 1 to 2 tablespoons of the contact or saline solution. As you can see, the glue and food coloring have been mixed together. This slime will be blue, and now the baking soda is being added as well. You can see the 3 ingredients being mixed together before the contact solution is added. Just like the oobleck, slime is also a non-Newtonian fluid, having properties of both solids and liquids. Now we can see the contact saline solution is being added to the slime mixture. Remember that the ratio of this liquid is 1 to 2 tablespoons of solution. As the solution gets mixed in, we can see the properties of the slime begin to change. Watch carefully and notice the differences within the mixing. Notice how the mixture now starts to look like solidified slime. And this is the final product. You can pick it up and it's ready to play with.